So hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a socks. I just had to do this quick video because like everybody, we are all running out of masks, and this is very serious. They've made it compulsory that you must go out with your face mask as you're going out now. So and you can't even buy them in the pharmacies, you can't even get them anywhere. So all that we have to do now is to improvise and look for a way to do our own mask. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a face mask using your socks. So what I'm going to be using now is a socks that I have never used before. That is what I'm going to be using now. So just watch. It's just a simple video, it's a quick one. So just watch and you can be able to do yours and then go out with your face mask. So guys, you'll be needing your tissue, your paper towel. You'll be needing, this is the socks I'm using. I have never used it before. And then you'll be needing So guys, you'll be needing your paper towel, and then you'll be needing your socks. These socks, I've never used it before. And then your scissors. So all you have to do is, guys, you cut this end of the socks off. I'm cutting here. So this is off, and then you cut the other end off as well. This socks is smaller. I have a smaller face, so this socks is smaller, and then I feel like this will do for me because I have a small face. So but if you have a wild face or you have a big face, you can actually use something, a bigger socks or a wider socks. Then all I'm doing is I'm giving a slit like right here, a little slit, and then I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm giving a little slit right here. So here you have it, and then paper towel essential because it will help everything so you don't have much air going in like that. So this is it. I'm actually putting that right here, right in, make it be in place. Then this is a bit big, so I'm going to be cutting this out. Yeah. So here you go, guys. So all you need to do is flip it over. So guys, this is it. This is all you need to do, guys, and you have yourself a face mask. Look. So guys, that is all you'll be needing, making your face mask with your socks, and that's pretty easy. I just decided to pop up right here and do this because I can't find face masks anywhere. Like, I don't know, it's all out and we just need to improvise. I can't find it anywhere. I can't do anything else than to do this. So you guys, here you have it. Just help. I hope you guys stay safe out there. I hope you guys all should be safe. You know, we all need to try our best and stay safe, stay home. If at all you need to go out, then maybe getting groceries or anything. And thank you so much to all our healthcare workers. You guys are doing great. So this is your own mask. Please go ahead and do yours. It's pretty easy. Go ahead and do yours. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload. I'll see you guys in my next video.